Welcome. If you're looking to tidy up your Facebook experience on your PC, especially after the latest update, you might be wondering how to clear your search history or manage your activity, specifically the people you've searched for. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, step by step. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look up to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile photo or avatar. Go ahead and click on it. After you click your profile photo, a small menu will drop down. In this menu, you'll find several options, but the one we're interested in is called Settings and Privacy. Hover your cursor over this option, and you'll notice another menu appears to the side. From here, select Activity Log. The activity log is where Facebook keeps track of everything you've done on the platform, from posts you've liked to searches you've made. Now, inside the activity log, you'll see a list of different types of activities on the left side of the screen. Scroll through these options until you find your friends. Click on your friends, and you'll see a detailed list of actions related to your friends, including your recent searches for people. At this point, you can review your recent friend searches. If you want to clear your search history, look for the option to filter or manage your activity. Sometimes you can delete individual searches by clicking on the three dots next to each entry and selecting Delete. If you want to clear everything at once, check if there's a Clear Searches or similar button at the top or bottom of the list. Facebook's interface can change with updates, so if you don't see a clear option right away, try clicking around the area or checking for a More drop-down. Remember, clearing your search history on Facebook is a great way to keep your activity private and organized. If you ever want to revisit this process, just follow these simple steps. Open Facebook, click your profile photo, go to Settings and Privacy, select Activity Log, and then choose your friends. You'll always be in control of what's stored and what gets removed. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.